Welcome to Toy Shack channel. I'm Mike. Today we are going to make this pinball toy too. So this one is avoiding the hole. This one get the highest point. Try to get highest point. So this one is a little bit difficult to play, but it's really fun for you. Let's make it. Okay, let's check which parts you need. So from here, small center parts. And for pinball toy 2, there is a 2 solid. This one. Please don't confuse with pinball 1. Pinball 1 is just one line, okay? So this one also has 2 slits for each part. Okay, and acrylic plate, and this one bottom plate. This one bottom plate, and this one is similar but it has a hole. This one is for the middle side. Okay, and we use screwdriver and glue, and this metal ball to play, and 6 pieces of screw. Okay, let's make it. This one, pick up the glue and put the glue just one side, this side, just this side. This side will be the bottom side. One line of glue, and pick up this bottom plate, put in the middle. Okay, be like this. And left side and right side should be the even. Okay, just put in the middle. And next one, this small parts, put glue just here. One side, don't put here, just here. And put the side of the plate. Okay, this one. And assembling with these parts. Okay, make sure this side is flat. Okay, and one more piece, put just only this side and this side. Okay, and assembling together, be like this. Okay, could you do this? And for next step, this one, this plate, insert in the middle of the box here, slide into this to the end. Okay, box will be like this, and last part, this plate, put the glue in the slit of the bottom side, and also put glue here, side of the small parts, both sides, and assembling together. Okay, and then tie with rubber band, both sides, this side and this side, or even just in the middle, put the rubber band. It will be fine. And we have to wait for drying. Okay, and after drying,
a few moments later,
this is after drying and finish painting and put wood scrap. And when you put wood scrap, please keep under the box here. Please don't come out top of the box. Okay, and after you finish decoration, painting, everything, you can put this ball into the box. Okay, and you can cover by acrylic plate here, and pick up the screw and there is already 6 holes on acrylic plate, so just assembling tightly. Please screw it tightly, prevent the metal ball come out from the box. Okay. It's maybe a little bit tight to screw, so please, parents, help your kids. Okay, the last one. Okay, so it's finished, just finished. And when you play, bring up the metal ball and this design, try to get the highest point, like this, like this. Oh, this one 40, and this toy ball will come back from this corner. Every part has this corner space, so come back from the corner and start again. Try to get highest point, or even you can just avoid the hole everywhere. Okay, let's enjoy.